In today's age, we rely on the news and social media to keep us up to date on all kinds of different topics and issues that are important to us. We rely on information that we receive from our peers and online sources to tell us the truth and give us facts. But essentially, through all the different articles we see every day, it is up to us, the individual, to decipher this information and determine what is true, what could be true, or what is just outright false. And in order to do this, we need to have a clear understanding of what is objective and what is subjective. Objective is a statement that is complete. This means that it's not touched by any writer's experience or opinion, and it is verifiable by fact, meaning that it can be proven true. Now, facts, which I'll discuss in another video, but unlike theories, facts have evidence that can be proven to make them 100% unbiased and true. Now, subjectiveness is a statement that is given by the viewpoint of a writer, and it is often built in bias in reality, but it reflects the perspectives through which the writer's views on specific topics are. Plus, they cannot be verified using concrete facts. The viewpoint usually focuses on attitudes, values, thoughts, feelings, or beliefs of that person, or his personal opinions and their emotions, which can mislead readers or persuade them from the true facts. So when finding the truth, objectiveness is the way to go. When you want to hear what somebody else is feeling about a certain topic or subject, then subjectiveness is the way to go. Now, it's okay to have an opinion, but in media, newspaper, and professional content, opinions are usually found in the opinion section or in a comment section in social media. As readers, we should be able to have information that can be proven with facts and tell if an article is objective or subjective. There's a place and time for opinions, and it is not when somebody is trying to find facts. So how do we determine what is objective and true and what is subjective opinion in the content that we consume? Well, here's a little trick that I like to use. First of all, we look at the piece of content, whether it's on paper or digital, and we look for all the objective statements. These are statements that are facts and can be proven, and we count them up. Then we tally up all the different opinions. Remember, opinions are statements that reflect the writer's views, and then we total them up. And if the article has more facts than opinions, then that article is objective. If the article has more opinions than fact, then it is subjective. Now, what if the article has an equal number of facts and opinions? Well, then they call that balance. But it's really up to you again to determine the validity of the information that you're going to consume and retain as being factual. So remember, if you want facts, then you have to look for articles that are written objectively.